All I'm gonna say is you need to make this. First things first. Okay, we're gonna start with our chicken breast and we're gonna slice in half and then cover with saran wrap, and then we are going to pound them out. This will just help give them an even thickness, cook faster and more evenly. Once done, we're gonna season with salt, freshly cracked pepper, and smoked paprika. And don't forget to do both sides. Now it's time for a mayonnaise marinade. Now this isn't new, but if it's new to you, well, you're in for a nice surprise, because a mayo marinade locks in extra moisture, improves browning, and makes your chicken juicy. Place the chicken breasts in a bowl and add the mayonnaise, and mix to cover all the breasts. The high fat content in mayo will really help retain the moisture, and don't worry, you're not going to taste the mayo afterwards when cooked. Cover and place in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours if you have the time. If not, 30 minutes will definitely help, but longer the better. And now it's time for more mayo, Bomba Mayo. Now I haven't done this in a while, but if you know my channel, then you know all about Bomba sauce. If not, I'll leave a link in the description below with a recipe explaining all about it. Now any ratio of Bomba to mayo, up to you, give a mix and set aside. Next for the sandwich, zucchini. I love zucchini. Now you can slice into thin rounds or strips. I'm gonna go with strips and I'm going to use a mandolin, but if you have a knife, that will do the trick as well. Now this is optional. You can pre-salt the zucchini if you like, just to help remove any excess moisture. We're just gonna season with salt and set aside for about 30 minutes, and then with a paper towel, just blot, and you can see I removed a bit of that moisture. Now if you pre-salted, just season with freshly cracked pepper and dried oregano on both sides. Then in a grill pan, barbecue, or skillet, now it's time to grill the zucchini and chicken. On medium to high heat, add some extra virgin olive oil, place the zucchini down and grill both sides, and once done, remove. And now it's time for the chicken. We're gonna place the chicken down and grill both sides. Once cooked, remove. Now, if you like, you can toast your bread. You don't have to. But I'm going to, and I'm going to use the same pan just to get all that extra zucchini and chicken goodness. Now it's time to build our sandwich. Place some Bomba Mayo down on the bottom half bun, then the chicken, zucchini strips, some fresh torn mozzarella di bufala, finely grate some Reggie, Parmigiano Reggiano, and if you want, more Bomba Mayo on that top half bun, and bring this delicious sandwich to the table. All right, so I think every time I make a sandwich, it becomes my new favorite sandwich. I love making sandwiches, and this one is a delicious one. That mayo marinade, if you didn't know, now you do. Give it a go. It'll just lock in so much flavor and make it so juicy. You get perfect crust and browning on that chicken, and then you get the grilled zucchini, the fresh mozzarella, the hint of oregano, the Bomba Mayo. This is a good one. I hope you give it a go. And as always, the full recipe is in the link in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and until next time, ciao.